My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I am a national expert in IRS resolution. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the home of the 5-minute video. I don't like talking longer than that because actually it gets really boring for me and for you. So today I want to talk to you about IRS back tax debt. As a former revenue officer, I've worked thousands, maybe 10,000 cases since 1973. And most people who owe tax debt really don't understand the different programs that are around to resolve their IRS tax debt. So once you owe back tax debt, you have what's called an assessment on IRS's computer system, and they're going to send you out a series of 5 bills. They're all 5 to 6 weeks apart. When you get toward the end, you're going to get a 504 scary letter, final notice. They can seize, they can levy, they can wage garnish, but after that you're going to get a 1058 letter. That 1058 letter, if you don't respond to that and you don't want to file an appeal, IRS is going to go ahead and take your bank account or garnish your wages. So what are really your options you have if you have tax debt? You really need to not put your head in the sand like an ostrich does and not know, but you got to be aggressive or assertive with this and know the programs that are available to resolve your debt and what IRS is going to do. So let's talk about what IRS is going to do. IRS is going to take a current financial statement on their forms. The cases with a revenue officer, a 433A. The cases in the service center, a 433F. You shouldn't be giving those forms to IRS unless you know what you're doing, because you're going to have a really bad hair day once you find out what the IRS national standards are. IRS is going to want that financial statement documented, and when it's documented, they're going to probably recommend a payment agreement, or you could be in currently non-collectible, which is a great place to be. There's good and bad really about that, but that financial statement sets up your whole case. You may be able to file an offer in compromise, but really what needs to happen when you're ready to call IRS is you got to get a hold of somebody who knows exactly what's going to happen with your current financial statement. So many people have called, and they called me back after they called IRS, and he says, man, I'm in a mess. IRS wants $2,200 a month, $1,000. I can't afford it. Well, because you don't know what the hell IRS is going to do. So if you are going to call IRS and you don't know what they're doing, why in the hell do you call them? Now, if you're broke and you have a small case, call them. You owe under 10, 20,000. Probably have nothing to lose. But if you have more serious tax debt, you better get a hold of someone who can at least get you the best deal based on your current financial statement. IRS is going to want to have you current on your filings and making sure you have your withholding and estimate payments up to date. But more than anything, please understand the current financial statement that you give them is the sole determining factor on how they are going to go ahead and work your case. So once again, if you have no knowledge of that, don't make the call. So anyway, I'm trying to share the different programs with you. YouTube really likes people to have subscriptions. So there's a bell. If you can give me a subscription, that would be great. It just lets people know there's a quality video and a truthful video being told to you. So if you could give me that. By the way, if you want me to do a YouTube, leave a comment. Say, Michael, speak about this. You can give me a like, whatever. But anyway, subscriptions are great. Anyway, at the end of the day, we're available for expert affordable representation and a free consultation. So anyway, have a good one. Now you know what you need to know about IRS back tax debt.